Today we're taking a closer look at one of Honda's smallest offering with a big city heart, the Honda Brio. Whether you're a first-time car buyer or just looking for an efficient urban runabout, the Brio has something to say. Let's see if it still upholds in 2025. Let's go. The Brio has always been known for its cheeky, youthful design, and in this generation continues the tradition. Up front, you get a sharp grille with chrome accents, swept-back headlamps, and a bumper that gives you a slightly aggressive stance. From the side, its compact proportions are ideal for a tight street. The lines are clean and slightly sporty. Around the back, the glass hatch adds a touch of quirkiness, but practicality might be a mixed bag, which we'll get to later. It's not going to turn heads like a sport coupe, but for a hatchback in this price range, it's got charm. Plus, with its color options, it doesn't try to blend in. Step inside and the Brio keeps things simple but surprisingly refined. The dash design is clean with Honda's typical ergonomic layout. You get a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay on higher trims. The quality of materials is mostly hard plastic, but feels durable. The steering mounted controls, digital analog instrument cluster, and the power adjustable ORVMs give it a well-equipped feel for a small hatch. In the rear, space is decent for 2 adults. Legroom and headroom are better than you'd expect in a car this size. The boot space, however, is just enough for a couple of small bags. So don't expect a vacation hauler. It's not luxury, but everything is where it should be. And if you're upgrading from an older hatch or a 2-wheeler, this cabin can feel like a big step. Under the hood, the Brio packs a 1.2-liter VTEC petrol engine. It makes around 88 horsepower and 110 Nm of torque, plenty for city runs and occasional highway stints. You can choose between a 5-speed manual or a CVT automatic. The manual is engaging enough and ideal if you like a bit of control. The CVT, on the other hand, is smooth but has a typical rubber band feel under hard acceleration. In the city, the Brio is light on its feet, steering is nimble, the turning radius is tight, and the suspension handles potholes reasonably well. On highways, it can cruise at 90 to 100 km an hour comfortably, but don't expect high-speed thrills. For daily commutes, this engine is steady, efficient, and reliable. Exactly what you'd want in a city car. Fuel efficiency is where the Brio really shines. Expect anywhere between 16 to 18 kilometers to the liter in real-world city driving. On highways, you might even touch 20 kilometers to the liter if you're really gentle with the throttle. Safety-wise, the Brio comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and rear parking sensors. It's basic, but for the segment, it checks the boxes. The Brio may be compact, but it's no compromise. It looks sharp, drives confidently, and comes with the kind of reliability Honda is famous for. If you are a city dweller looking for a practical daily driver that's easy to park, fun to drive, and light on the wallet, the Brio should definitely be on your radar. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done with a smile. Anyways, my conclusion for today is you should shortlist this car, as it is a great car, and for the price, not many other brands compete. Thank you for watching. If you like this review, hit the like button, subscribe for more car content, and let me know in the comments. Would you pick the Brio or go for something else in this segment? See you in the next one. Peace.